In your deepest sorrow, in the quietest pain, God saw you. Maybe no one noticed your tears. Maybe no one understood what you're feeling inside. Pero nakita ka ni Lord. Hindi lang yung mga ngiti mo sa labas, kundi pati yung bigat na tinatago mo sa loob, sa puso mo. Just like Nathaniel, you know that story, who was sitting under the fig tree. Tahimik lang siya, maybe tired, and also maybe questioning, Lord, do you still see me? Do you still care? And Jesus said, alam niyo dun sa book of John 1 verse 48 na, before Philip called you, when you were under the fig tree, I saw you. Galing, diba? Kasi it means, kahit sa mga oras na wala kang sinasabi, kahit sa mga gabing umiiyak ka, mag-isa, God still sees you. He sees your struggles, your sacrifices, your faith, and He's proud of you, how far you've come. So don't lose heart, even when things don't make sense right now. God is preparing something beautiful for you. You may not see it yet, but He's already working behind the scene. Maybe you're in the season of waiting again. Maybe you're tired of trying. Remember this, God hasn't forgotten you. You're not invisible to Him. Your tears are seen, your prayers are heard, and your heart is known. Sabi nga ng Psalms 34:18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and save those who are crushed in spirit. So stand up again. Tuloy. Breathe. Smile. Keep going. Because the same God who saw Nathaniel under the fig tree is the same God who sees you, who sees us. And He's not done writing your story, our story.